Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are we doing today? Hope we're good. Hope we're fine. Good afternoon, Anna. Good afternoon, Samuel. Apologies, we couldn't have our market color this morning. We had some technical issues beyond our control, so we couldn't host this morning, but try as much as possible, try our best to ensure that we do like a robust recap this afternoon. All right. Let's see how it's going. Let me share my screen. I believe you can see my screen. All right, I'll be looking at the equities market, US market. Has been quite interesting. So far, so good today. This market has been dancing and been dancing, has been dancing. I don't know what to do again. Like I mentioned earlier this week, US30, I've been expecting price to, to sell off from this zone significantly, but so far so good, nothing. Price has just been ranging. Price has been ranging through our entries, right, for quite some time now. Ranging our entry and then almost even took me out, right? Just lucky I had a very good broker, and then my SL was somewhere farther than where it should be. I think I have SL protected somewhere around here, and then yes, 1:2 around here. So this is the current situation. Price has been ranging. In fact, I was really happy yesterday when I saw this sell-off, but then been ranging across board. Let me look at daily time frame and see if there's anything that's really changed significantly. Truly speaking, I want to believe that this market has, for one, hasn't changed, but then we are seeing this powerful range. What should I expect personally? What should I expect to happen? So I'm thinking to myself, although we have a weak breakout here, like this, but then it closed below it, we should still see like a minor sell-off. But then could it be that price has actually sold off and then we are now continuing in the original direction of price? That's one thing. The other thing is this block here that's happened now makes me wonder if price is just going to continue buying from this zone, this guy here, because price broke below it, closed immediately, and then is pushing upwards. So could it be that once price closed heavily in this zone, we would see like a retest? Okay, let me use line 2. Price closes heavily above this zone like this, we could see like a retest and then boom, coming to take me out to continue in the original direction. That's one possibility. And that's really, really obvious or can happen. Why am I saying that? Because of what I'm seeing now. Daily time frame, we are bullish. Even lower time frame, we are now bullish. So this counter trade might have worked probably on Tuesday if we saw a proper sell-off to the downside. But now everything is bullish. Every single thing is bullish. So it's kind of tricky. Still in the trade, but I'm doubting my position now myself as I'm speaking to you. All right. On S&P500, I was taking out. This one took me out. Prim and proper took me out. All right. You can see managed to sell off a bit, sold off a bit, yeah, but then price is stronger than what we had. So eventually it took me out because honestly speaking, this market has been bullish. We established it. We are the same people that caught buys from here and then said price is going to do what? Price is going to target this zone, which eventually price did, right? Targeted this zone and then just reversed and then continued. So I was caught in this That's one sad thing about counter trading. Sometimes you just get caught in the web and then you don't tend to focus on the bigger picture. Because the bigger picture is this, right? We saw a drop to the downside. This was looking like a box strategy. Yes, valid. Was looking like a box strategy. Sweep, left shoulder, break to the downside, return to that other block, to that fair value gap, breaker block, right? Which price did struggled, tried to sell. It did, at least I saw 1:3 here, kind of, yeah. So, but then overall, we could have just find a way to focus on the buy, right? Which is this here, although price is not test that level. Painfully price is not test that level, right? And then price continued. We could have focused on the buy, and then I'm sure, definitely sure, we'll have gotten a buy here. Look at it, this powerful buy here. Today, like we'll have, this is Wednesday, okay, yesterday we'll have gotten a buy and then moved with this buy that price have done. But then it is what it is. We'll just keep on looking for better opportunity in the market. As for me, I want to see what price will do today, tomorrow, and then I will now start, looking for much better trades. As it is now, even it is obvious we are bullish on the daily time frame. We are bullish on the daily time frame. There's nothing on this head that wants me to look for a sell now. No, looking for sales now will be quite irresponsible, to say the least. Okay, we have areas that have not been mitigated. This is one area I'll be looking out for price to come into and then continue its journey. Because this entire area has not been mitigated. Maybe on 3-hour time frame, also has not been mitigated. This is a very sweet area. This is a very sweet area, believe me. Believe me, we have an inducement here. So this could be a trade for next week, actually. Okay. We have price inducement here. So, long position. The price is in a zone of discovery. So, can we see that push up the way we want it? 1:2. This 1:2.2. So this is what I'll be anticipating. This is a good trade already. I hope price breaks forward, breaks to the upside significantly, and then finally now drops into this zone, because everything that needs to be done here is showing. It's another block area that's not been mitigated before. It's an inducement that will attract price into that area, and then we should expect continuation. And also on the daily time frame, we are bullish. We are bullish. We are bullish. We are significantly bullish, right? And so we should see this happen. So that's like my consolidation for today. All right, on US100 and US100, this guy's been moving really wide even before now, sir. Okay, US100, we are also bullish. Price has broken structure to the upside. And come on, let me delete all of this. Broken structure to the upside, right? And then on the far time frame, let's look if there are areas that have not been mitigated before. Price has mitigated this area. Oh, price has mitigated this area. I've used this to make money, but then this entire area, price has mitigated it. US100. I did mention that we are looking for buys on US100. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, sir. I'm not sure. Not sure. But this is a very good area. Price has mitigated. I'm coming Tuesday, 2 p.m. Okay. I'll look at my previous analysis. But this is one good area that price has mitigated. Let's put on 1 hour time frame. Let's look at if there are other. Price has also mitigated this area, right? Everything has been mitigated here. So for now, honestly speaking, for US100, I want us to just relax a bit. This looks like the only area that has not been mitigated. And Will US100 drop to this point before it buys? I don't think so. Honestly, don't think so. But then we would wait to see what price does first, right? We wait to see what price does between today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Yeah. So enough price action will have happened in the chart. And we'll now use that to make our decision. All right, that's pretty much it for now. Nothing really extra for today. That's pretty much what price is doing. Very slow. And we have CPI. Was it CPI? There was a news release earlier today. So I believe by next week we should even get better price action, and we can now use that to further, determine our direction in the market. All right, Simeon, Jonathan, Samuel, Anna, do you have any question for me, especially on US equities markets? Do you have any question for me at all? Let me know in the chat box. Please let me know in the chat box. Any question? Let me know. None from me. That's Simon. And I'm waiting for the rest of us, Samuel and Anna. Do you have any question? Or are you typing? Okay, since they are not online. Anna, Samuel, can you hear me? No, sir. Okay, no problem. That's fine. All right, thank you so much for joining. Wish you all a profitable trading day ahead, trading week ahead. See you again by Tuesday. That's next week. I reminded market call still continues tomorrow for GU, EU, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, USD, JPY kind of analysis. You're going to get them tomorrow, 8:30 in the morning and 2 p.m. for the New York session. All right. Wish you all a profitable trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.